just continue to be awesome, and it's because of Jesus. I'm trying to practice talking in front of the camera. I've probably done 6 takes before this. I'm just getting used to it, and it's fun. And I figure if I'm going to talk about anything, I can talk about cars and Jesus and Star Wars. There's other things, but this week's been so cool. I got to go to the vintage shop here in town and buy a new to me shirt. I'm wearing it today. It's freaking awesome. I love it. I've got there's things to be thankful for. I've got a full fridge of food for me and my kids, and it's just incredible to look at God's provision and just see that. And man, and I just can't even, I've had this song on repeat. I'm playing it right now. I've had this song on repeat this week. You gotta listen to it. It's awesome. I've just been belting that out all week, and it's been incredible. And church is incredible, and seeing the people that I love every week is incredible, and God growing me is incredible, and I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait for decades more of this. I hope y'all have an awesome